2005, parent factory born, starting with chair parts manufacture. 2014, Unigamer Guangzhou, one of few gaming chair manufacturing starters, set sail in this industry. 2015, the blossom of domestic market sales enhanced our production and quality management and laid a solid foundation for our global market development. 2016, Unigamer began to expand European market with premium quality, great after-sales service, competitive pricing in the industry. 2017, we moved to a new and spacious factory in Nansha, Guangzhou, with a complete hardware injection assembly industry chain. 2018, Unigamer Foshan was set up replying to fast-growing business scale and signed as the only official gaming chair sponsor for Wesco World University Esports Tournament the same year. 2019, Unigamer further developed global markets in EU, North America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, bringing the newest and innovative designs to provide numerous ergonomic solutions. 2020, a year of crisis, but as well as challenges. Unigamer built up a third factory and achieved a 300% sales growth against the global economical recession. 2021, Unigamer reorganized all three factories as a group company with better coordination on design, production, and quality management, and now have over 90 professional members of staff and a up to 36,000 pieces monthly production capacity. Future on the way to world's #1 gaming furniture one-stop solution supplier.
Hello, my name is James. 1 year in Unigamer. I'm so enjoying working here.
Hello, I'm Crystal. I joined in Unigamer since 2016. I enjoy this job very much. I'm happy with all my customers, and thank you for all your support during these past 6 years.
Hello, my friends. This is Klein. I hope that you still remember me. Last year, we reached to a new stage because we just started the third factory, and now our monthly capacity is 3 times than before. So we do hope that we can still work together to make a brighter future. Thank you.